Hey, do you want to learn how to install Ollama on your MacBook Neo? In this video, I'll show you how to install Ollama on macOS, and we are also going to go over how to pull an AI model with the help of terminal and check if Ollama is installed or not. So let's get to it. So right over here on your MacBook Neo, you need to open up a web browser. It could be any web browser. I'm going to open up Firefox, and then on the top, I'm going to search for Ollama. Enter, and then right over here, the first link, we're going to go over ollama.com. On it, if you see on the top right, you're going to find the download button. You can click on it, and it's going to take you over to this page right here. It's already selected Mac OS. You can download for Mac OS by pressing on this button right here, and it's going to start the .dmg download. If you want to install it via terminal, you can do that as well. If you want to open the terminal, it's very easy. On the top of your keyboard, you're going to find F4 button. It has a search icon on it. Just press on it, and it's going to open up Spotlight Search. Over here, I'm going to type in terminal and then open it up. Now right over here, you can use your 3 fingers, drag the window around, and all you need to do is you just copy it. Just copy this curl command from here and then go over to terminal and paste it over here. So you just need to use your 2 fingers, press it, and then it's going to act as a right click, and then you can just paste the command here and let it run. But I'm going to use this download from macOS right here. I'm just going to download this .dmg file. So I'm just going to open it. Now over here, you can use your 3 fingers again, drag Ollama over to applications right here. And it's going to give you a sound, which means that it is done. Yeah, right here, it's done. So let's open it up. Open. I'm going to enter my password here. All right, there you go. We've got Ollama desktop app running on a MacBook Neo on macOS. Next up, if you want to install a model, you can just click over here in new chat, select a model, and then you can select one of these right here, Gamma 4 Qwen 3.6. You just need to select it, and then you need to send any message. It could be just hi like this, and then send it. And what this is going to do is going to start the download process of the AI model. For example, for us, it's going to be Qwen 3.6, so it's going to start the download like this. Now I'm just going to stop it from here. I will not install a 22 GB model. Instead, what we are going to do is go over to ollama.com. On it on the top left, we're going to press on this models link, which is going to take us over here. I'm going to search for Qwen 3. Now scroll down. You're going to find this Qwen 3. Go inside it. The thing is, we have got MacBook Neo, right? It has only got 8 gigs of RAM. So we are not able to run 14B, 30B type models. We would run a 4B model, which is going to be less resource intensive on your system, and you'll be able to run it easily. If it is 4B, it means 4 billion parameters, and it's going to take roughly around 3 to 4 gigs of your RAM. So yeah, make sure when you install an model, keep in mind the B right here, 4B, 5B, 8B, etc. Now all you need to do is open up the terminal. So again, press on the F4 on your keyboard to open up Spotlight, search, and then type in terminal over here, open it up. Now right over here, I'm going to drag with my 3 fingers, and then I'm going to type in Ollama -- or -- and then version. I'm first going to check if Ollama is installed correctly or not. And there you go. It says Ollama version is 0.30.8. Great. Now I'm going to type in Ollama list, which is going to show us all the AI models that are currently installed on our system. So it shows empty, which means that we have not yet installed any. So I'm going to start the download of this Qwen 3 4B now. So what I'm going to do is go over here, copy this Qwen 3 :4B, and then go over to terminal, then type in Ollama, pull, and then paste this. Use your 2 fingers and then press on the trackpad, and it's going to act as a right click. I'm going to press on the paste here, and that is it. Now we're going to press on the enter button, and it's going to pull the manifest, and it's going to start downloading our AI model Qwen 3 4B on a MacBook Neo. All right, now it's installed on our MacBook Neo, and we'll be able to talk with it right in the terminal. So what you need to do right here is type in Ollama, run, and then Qwen 3 :4B, and it's going to check if it's installed correctly or not. And that's it. Now it's going to give you this information to send a message. So I'm going to type in hi, and it's going to start the thinking process. The Qwen 3 4B has thinking in it. So you can use the thinking capability of Qwen 3 4B. But it's going to think and give you the message. Great. Now we can go over to Ollama right here. And we can select with this selector, AI selector, we can switch over to Qwen 3 4B, and we can also send the message right here like this. And it's going to think right here. And that is it. Once it's done, it's going to give you this message. Now, of course, you can sign in with Ollama, and then you can use your local AI model and use the web search as well. But for this, you need to sign in, of course. You can also give it an image and such with this plus button. And yeah, that's it. That's how to install Ollama on your MacBook Neo. I've shown you how to pull an AI model with the terminal, and I've also shown you which model is great for an 8 gigs model of MacBook Neo. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more MacBook Neo or Mac OS or any of these tech related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.